In the previous class, you have learned to change the desktop background and also to set a screensaver. The Appearance and Personalization option is used to change the display settings of the window. This means that the desktop background, font colors, font styles, window color, sounds can be set by you as you desire. To change the appearance of the windows of your computer, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Open the control panel and click the Appearance and Personalization option. You get a list of options. Step 2. Click the Personalization option. Step 3. Choose any theme and click to apply it to your computer. The applied theme changes the window color, screensaver, desktop background, and sounds of your system. Customizing the taskbar. Step 1. Open Control Panel and click the Appearance and Personalization option. Step 2. Click Taskbar and Start menu. Step 3. Click the required options in the Taskbar and Start menu properties dialog box. For example, auto-hide the taskbar, use arrow peak to preview the desktop, etc. If you check this option, the taskbar disappears. Use arrow peek. Arrow peek feature of Windows 7 lets you peek into your desktop if you have lots of windows open. This means all open windows turn transparent, so you can see what's on your desktop. Check Use Arrow Peek to preview the desktop option to activate this feature. Step 4. Click Apply button, then click OK. Note: to see the hidden taskbar, move the mouse pointer to the bottom of the screen. To use Arrow Peek feature, just point the mouse pointer at the Show Desktop button on the right corner of the taskbar.
Do you know? The fonts option in the Appearance and Personalization category of the control panel is used to preview, delete, show or hide fonts installed in your computer system.
Configuring date and time.
You know that the system tray on the taskbar of Windows 7 desktop displays the current system, date and time. You can make changes in the settings of date and time. You can configure current date and time by using the control panel. To change date and time of your system, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Open the control panel and click the Clock, Language and Region option. Step 2. Click the Date and Time option. The Date and Time dialog box appears. Step 3. Click Change Date and Time button. The Date and Time settings dialog box appears. Step 4. Now, change the date and time of your system. To make changes in date, change the month, year and day. To make changes in the time, change the hour by clicking the arrow to increase, decrease the value. Similarly, change the minutes. Step 5. Click OK button.
Do you know? You can also click the clock on the taskbar and then click Change Date and Time Settings to open the Date and Time dialog box. MS Windows uses the date settings to identify when files are created or modified.
Configuring the mouse. Do you know that you can make changes in the way you use the mouse? You can change the pointer's type, the pointer's movement speed, the double-click speed, and the pointer's trail. Pointer's type represents the shape of the mouse pointer. It changes with different activities. Pointer's movement speed is the speed by which the mouse pointer moves. Double-click speed means how quick you are pressing the mouse button twice. The more is the double-click speed, the faster you have to press the mouse button. Pointer trails are animated trails behind the mouse pointer, which makes it easier to see it on screen while it is in motion. To make changes in the mouse settings, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open Control Panel and click Hardware and Sound option. Step 2. Click Mouse option from Devices and Printers. The Mouse Properties dialog box appears with various tabs in it. You can select any tab and change the property accordingly. Let's learn to change some of them. Changing the button configuration. If you are a right-handed person, do not select the Switch Primary and Secondary buttons checkbox. If you are a left-handed person, select the checkbox. Click Apply. It interchanges the button functions. Now you are able to click, double-click and drag using right mouse button. Changing the double-click speed. To make the double-click speed slower, drag the slider to the left, that is, towards slow end. This enables you not to be fast double-clicker and open your programs by large intervals in double-clicking. To make the double-click speed faster, drag the slider towards right, that is, towards the fast end in order to decrease the time interval between double-clicking. Now, click the Apply button and then click the OK button to apply the changes you have made. Changing the pointer's type. You can also change the type of pointer's shape that appears at different actions while working in Windows 7. To change the shape of mouse pointer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Pointers tab. You see a list of different types of pointers against the different types of Windows operations. Step 2. Select the pointer type you want to change from the Customize list. Step 3. Click the Browse button. A new window appears displaying different types of available pointers. Step 4. Select the pointer shape of your choice. Step 5. Click the Open button. You see the replaced pointer shape in place of the original pointer shape in the Customize list. Step 6. Click the Apply button. The desired changes come into effect. Step 7. When all the changes are done, click the OK button. Pointer shape replaced.
Do you know? You can click the Use Default button in Mouse Properties dialog box to change the replaced pointer to its default shape.
You have finished the chapter. Now click on the Exercise button.